Hey, Dana here, and with my vlog. And this is I Spy a Stang. And boy did I. I don't even have to worry about license plates on this one because it is for sale. Ford Special Team.
It has 6,200 miles on it.
It is a 94 convertible SVT Cobra. 240 horses, 5-speed. And it is verified as a pace car. Number 923. Look at this. Is somebody looking for this? Look at that. 78 Indianapolis 500, May 29, 94. Wow. What's the standard? 255s, 17Rs. Man. There's a phone number, folks, if you're looking for it. Special Vehicle Team, SVT. Oh, geez. Door is open. Wow. You're getting a real treat here. Mint condition. Correct speed or mileage on it. Wow. Beautiful and convertible. Oh man. Yeah, not to mention it was an Indy pace car. Wow. Here we go, boys and girls. A pace car in mint. And a Cobra. Wow. Good year. And there isn't a spot of rust on this. Got the Cobra. Wow. Very nice. Oh, I gotta come back. My wife loves these. Loves that style. There you go, convertible. 6,200 miles on it. I don't know. There's no price, but there's the phone number to give them a call. Oh man. I don't know. They're not here, but all leather. There you go, boys and girls. And that's what, there's a 5.0. Mint condition. There you are. Mustang and Cobra. Alright, there you go. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next I Spy a Stang.